Friends, to Thirukkural English Couplet channel. We have two channels. One is Thirukkural English Couplet TVR channel. This is for English explanation of Kurals. Thirukkural English Couplet, which is a translation of Thirukkural English, Thirukkural. And another channel we have which is called Kuralin Kural. Kuralin Kural. This is in Tamil. Tamil readers, Tamil lovers can go to that channel and watch. Other people who want to know, and those people who don't knowing Tamil may watch this English. Now we have completed 114 chapters. I mean chapter number 114. Now we are coming to 115. Chapter number 115. This translation, which I have made in 4 plus 3 words in 2 lines, as it has been written in Tamil, has been translated using semantical approach and idiomatic approach. And I have put all the 1330 Kurals in 133 chapters into 16 heads. In a smaller way, I have made these things. Now we are in the 16th head, which speaks about the love of emotional and physical love of husband and wife, or love and lover. Now we have come to this last section. This is the third section after virtue and wealth. Now we have 25 chapters in this section. We have completed 114 up to 114 chapters from the beginning, counting from the beginning. Now 115, brattling of lovers. Brattling is speaking about the lovers. Speaking, the people are going and talking about other people. This is what is happening in the villages, hamlets. People will be going from one place to another place. They would have a veranda, something like that. They will sit on the veranda and they will start speaking about the other persons who mostly they start speaking like this: who ran away with whom, what all such. These are nonsense. According to Valdavar, these are nonsense. They should not be spoken of, because one person is suffering out of the other person. Lovers, and they speak about the lovers especially because they don't know about it, but they having undergone once, they would forget, means that is foolishness. But these type of people would not have even undergone such a type of love, such a type of things. They get married only for the purpose of getting married and just to hide the eyes of the society, all such. But these type of people will be, these type of people have to be condemned. They have to be damned. I mean, this is nothing but a damnation, something like that. So, Valdavar is particular about our natural way of sex, natural way of marriage, natural way of love, all such. And now we have been encountering with a situation wherein men getting married to men, women getting married to women. Laws are there in the world. Many countries, many educated, so-called educated countries have created laws for this purpose, and courts have supported. These are all happening in the world. Even in India, this has been happening. In many other places, this has been legalized. In certain places, many places, even in India, it has been legalized. So, Valdavar is against this. Valdavar is saying, no, you should be like this. Natural love should be there. Natural marriage should be there. Naturally, they have to do all these things. Even he is going against fornication and adultery. This should not be there. To avoid adultery, he is asking us to keep each one in the other's mind. If you get departed for the purpose of getting wealth, earning wealth, you will come and join. In the meantime, you should not get, you should not go astray, and you should not get lost. So for that purpose, it just wants to tell the other person, especially the husband, that he should keep the wife in mind and in heart and in the soul. The same way, wife keeps the husband in the eye, soul, and the mind. That is what is explained. Now, we are going to take all the 10 videos in all 10 quarrels in a single video. Why? Because each one is interrelated and interconnected. And moreover, it is rather easier to understand in the simpler way translated. In a simpler English it has been translated, so it is rather easy for us to understand. And it gives a food for thought, and you can think about it analytically, medically, scientifically, all such. That is up to you. And I just read out and explain certain things and go ahead and finish up. Okay, now first one. Like a life sustains through love, pratless, knowing no secrets. The true lovers, they don't consider bratless at all. They sustain. The life sustains amidst these type of brattlings. Next one. Flowered eyes are brattle off without knowing values. This society, these people, those people who are in the society who are brattling like this are not even valuing what is known as love. These flowered eyes are brattle off without knowing values. Will everyone's prattle get my love? See, whatever they are prattling of is of no use, because he is not, they are not going to bring my love back to me. Who is telling this? Lover is telling about the love. Rumors grow, love more lest be eliminated. See, that's why I told you this will help us to have true love, going away from love itself or marriage itself, committing adultery, all such. Rumors grow, love more lest be eliminated. They speak about us, let them speak about. That makes us live faithfully, sincerely, and lovably. Drunkards drink after intoxication, gossip increases lust. See, drunkards people drink after intoxication. They got intoxicated. Once having intoxicated themselves, so they just want to drink more and more. What does it mean? They want to get more intoxicated. The same way, the gossip, these people go and gossip. No, this increases the lust. It doesn't decrease the lust. It increases the lust. It's said. Eclipsing like meeting had we, but rumors spread. The rumors is going on here and there. It speaks about something, but eclipsing like meeting. But these people, these two lovers who have been separated for certain purpose, have the eclipsing like meeting. Eclipsing like meeting. Eclipse comes not always, sometimes. So they have the meeting like that, but still they are loving each other. But these people in the society, they speak a lot about them, saying that they have been separated and they have gone from one another, also each other. Also, they will start speaking. They don't mind about that. Next one, seventh one. Gossip, manures. Mothers reproach, what is my love? Gossip, manures. Manure means gossip gives some food. Mother's reproach gives some water. To the love be strengthened. The love will not be left off as such. It will be strengthened by water and food. Food and water will be given by this. Gossip will give food, and mother's reproach will give water. Mother will also reproach. See, here comes the mami or marmagal, that fight. What is known as mother-in-law, daughter-in-law fight, spoken of even 2000 years back. Whoever could speak about this 2000 years back, that would have been there. Next one. Gossip cannot quench love, ghee cannot fire. Ghee cannot quench fire. This gossip, these people speak of, no, brattle of, which cannot quench love, but it will be increasing the fire of lusts. That is what is meant. Ninth one, inviting to courage, he departed shunning scandal. This person, lover, is departing, inviting courage, shunning of all scandal. Gossip makes my lover accept me easily. This gossip makes my lover, who is speaking now? The love is speaking. My lover accept me easily, accept the love very easily, because he is not such a person that he would yield to that gossip, and he will not leave it as such, and he will accept the love very easily. That is what he says, and he finishes off. That's why this particular chapter 115 is fantastic. Thank you.